A female anglerfish can carry 8 males on her body. And her husbands are completely willing. Because they don't have a brain to regret it. That's not a metaphor. They literally have no brain. Once a male bites into a female, within 2 weeks his eyes disappear. His heart shrinks. His brain gets absorbed. Until all that's left is a sack of sperm, fused to her skin forever. When scientists first dissected a female anglerfish, they thought those bumps were tumors. Turns out they were 8 living husbands. She can decide which husband works and which one sleeps. She is a hunter. A mother. The grave of 8 men. There is no love in the deep sea. This happens 2 kilometers below sea level. Not a single ray of light. The kind of dark where even shadows don't exist. Water temperature is near freezing. Pressure is 200 times the surface. Imagine 200 adults standing on every inch of your body. Food is almost non-existent. You could swim an entire month and find nothing to eat. The anglerfish has lived here for 100 million years. And it built a light in the darkness. On her head grows a thin fishing rod. At the tip hangs a glowing bulb of flesh. The light comes from bacteria she recruited from seawater. She releases chemical signals to attract them. Bacteria glow. The fish feeds them. A deal made 100 million years ago. In 2 kilometers of pure black, this is the only light for hundreds of meters. Small fish swim toward it out of curiosity. By the time they see what's behind the light, it's too late. Her mouth snaps open wider than her body. Swallows them alive. They don't even have time to struggle. Now the male anglerfish. Only 3 centimeters long. Under 20 grams. No glowing lure. No sharp jaws. No hunting ability. In the deep sea, he is a walking snack. Evolution gave him one thing, honed to perfection: smell. Every resource goes into his nostrils. His only mission: find a female by scent alone. He has weeks of energy stored. Then he starves. Every second he swims brings death closer. Then the scent hits. He ignites. He charges forward with everything he has. He knows the female ahead is dozens of times his size. She could eat him at any moment. But he doesn't stop. One thought: bite her. Even if he becomes dinner, he bets his life. His mouth releases an enzyme that dissolves his own lips. And dissolves the patch of skin where he bit her. 2 layers of skin fuse into one. Blood vessels connect and grow. 2 independent lives start sharing blood. From this moment, he never needs to eat again. But at what cost? His eyes shrink. Disappear. His brain dissolves and gets absorbed. Internal organs dismantle. A complete fish becomes a lump of tissue on her belly. With 2 working testicles. He doesn't even have the right to breathe alone anymore. His entire existence boils down to one word: reproduction. In 1924, Charles Reagan dissected a female anglerfish. The lab froze. Those lumps had bones. Blood vessels. Living cells. DNA results left everyone speechless. Those weren't tumors. Weren't parasites. Those were her husbands. Science had believed anglerfish had no males. They were there all along, overlooked for nearly 100 years. But the female doesn't have it easy either. An adult female grows over a meter long. Weighs over 20 kilograms. Her head is half her body. She has needle-sharp teeth. She can swallow prey as big as herself. But the deep sea is too vast. Too dark. Too lonely. Finding a mate is harder than reaching the sky. So fusing males permanently became the most efficient choice. She even controls which husband is active. During mating season, she releases specific hormones. All parasitic males release sperm at the same time. Eggs get fully fertilized. Survival rates go up. 8 husbands. All synchronized. Not one wasted. Why would evolution produce such an absurd system? Extremity. Evolution doesn't care about dignity or feelings. It only cares about one thing, whether the genes pass on. In that eternal darkness, the male gave up freedom. Gave up independence. Gave up everything that makes a complete life. In exchange, his genes continue. From evolution's perspective, this is a brilliant strategy. Otherwise, this species would have vanished long ago.